In a peaceful village called Pinewood, there lived a young rabbit named Ruby. Ruby was not like other rabbits. She had a peculiar talent for finding lost things. One day, an announcement was made that the village's magical gem, which protected Pinewood with its enchanting glow, had disappeared. The whole village was in panic because the gem's magic kept everyone safe. Ruby's best friend, a wise old owl named Oliver, suggested they go on a quest to find the gem. Oliver was always coming up with clever ideas and knew a lot about the ancient stories of magic. The two friends packed their bags, waving goodbye to their worried families as they hopped and flew through the dark whispering woods. They encountered a mischievous squirrel named Squeaky, who loved to play tricks. Squeaky leapt from tree to tree, giggling, and tried to steal Ruby's map. But Oliver outsmarted him by offering some sunflower seeds in exchange for information. Squeaky, delighted with the trade, pointed them to the hidden cavern, where he said the magic gem was last seen. Upon entering the hidden cavern, they found it vast and filled with sparkling crystals. In the center, on a pedestal, rested the magical gem. Just as Ruby reached for it, a grumpy troll named Thorn blocked their path. Thorn had a heart of stone and guarded the cave treasures fiercely. Ruby, with her kind heart, approached Thorn and explained why they needed the gem. She reminded Thorn how the gem's light protected everyone, including creatures like him. Moved by Ruby's honest words and her courage, Thorn reluctantly stepped aside. Ruby and Oliver carefully retrieved the gem and made their way back to Pinewood. As soon as they returned and placed the gem back in its spot, the village lit up with its protective glow once more. Everyone cheered, and Ruby was hailed as a hero. Ruby and Oliver were proud of their adventure and learned that even those who seem grumpy or mischievous have good deep down. The magical gem was safe, and Pinewood was peaceful again, thanks to the bravery and kindness of a little rabbit and her wise owl friend.